Hi friends, have you ever been pushed to the edge by life through changes, losses, or chasing things that never last? Sometimes it leaves us in fear, in tears, or even hopelessness. And yet, we rebuild again and again. Like you, my life has been a journey of a reinvention, moving across countries, shifting careers, rebuilding after heartbreak. Each time, I had to start from scratch. That is how yoga found me and carried me through all those uncertainties. And here I am, with all I've learned, ready to share with you and to inspire you toward whatever you need to achieve. That is why I became a yoga teacher. On top of my background in TV, film, and music, I call my style intentional flow yoga, a blend of mindful breathing, somatic awareness, and artistic movement. It is really not about perfect poses or clever sequences. It is about discovering your voice through the language of the body, listening to the quietest voice inside, surprising yourself when you realize you are already your own artist, your own healer. Yoga is simply the tool I share. I don't believe there's only one path to growth. This is just the one that has shaped me. My intention is simple: to help you move with clarity, create with courage, and discover resilience and self-love through your own body. When we feel whole, body and mind, we stop chasing what fades and we start living fully. If this ever speaks to you, I'd love for you to join me. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Artistry in Balance, where I share free weekly classes and shorts. You can also book private classes with me online or in person if you are nearby. Wherever we meet, I'll bring not just yoga, but energy, artistry, and friendship, supporting your transformation through greater mobility, flexibility, and strength.